Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce you the Swan platform. Swan is a data exchange service and a flexible integration solution provided by Nebula AI. Imagine you are a client want to transfer a large amount of data to Firecore network, and you are concerned about security, speed, and stability. MBFS Swan will be the best choice for you. Swan is a marketplace designed for Firecore miners and clients to post bid and deals online. The platform also provides powerful lifecycle management, fast file retrieval service, petabyte scale data migration, content network delivery. It also gives you the accessibility to multi-data center caching, encryption, micropayment, and edge computing services. Different miners on Firecore network might have different capabilities. They can provide additional services according to their facility and capabilities. If you want to try the Swan network, you can click the website with fileswan.com. For the other tools and API access, you can go to the GitHub location. So here is how can you find a miner on Swan platform. Once you open the Swan platform, you will see that you have multiple miners already shown on the network. You can choose different geolocations here. You can see who is behind the miner, and you can contact them by email or Slack. On the dashboard, they will show you how much they charge per GB per approach, and they can directly give you the price per year. For the verified deals, you can see the price of each user one miner will charge you. They have different acceptance criteria for minimum size and maximum size, which is pretty useful when you're sending deals. And you can see the geolocation to help you decide which miner you want to make a deal with. And on the top, it will tell you how many miners currently are working on the network. Let's go to the bid. So everything is task-based. When first time you want to ask somebody doing the offline selling with you, the first thing you want to do is create a task. When you create a task, you need to choose a name for your task, you need to put a description, and you need to upload a CSV file with the URL you want the client to download, with the car file you generated, and the start approach. The details of the information, you can click here, download the template, and fill in all those fields. After that, you can select the open bid, or you want it to be a closed bid if you already know who you want to send it to. After everything is done, then you can click the submit button, and your deal will be shown in the tasks. And after showing the tasks, bid different miners will take your bid. Like this guy is want to take your bid, and he has a 100% success rate at the moment, and he has his summary about his facility. And also you can have another guy who have two miners who's willing to accept you as well. If you hover over those miners, they will give you information about their settings. So as a miner, if you want to let people better understand you and your capability, you can go here and update your profile with your headline and summary. So when people start choosing miners, you have better chance to be selected as you are provide extra service compared to others. And if you want to add your miner here, just need to click the add button and fill the miner ID. The network will automatically scan all your settings on the Firecore network and put those data. So those data are updated in real time. You don't need manually to update them. So when you get a deal, you can get information and start processing it. After the deal is successfully processed, the agent will automatically detect that your deal is online. And if you want to set it to complete, you can go here to set it to complete status. And you can also have a different choice or make it online or ready for import or different that can even reset it if you have some actions need to be done. Yeah. And this is the way when you get a deal and you want to check the final result as well as the first time import, you can download the CSV and it contains all the information shown here. So you can build in a batch jobs offline with the local agent running to do automatic import services. Since you already have the DLC ID and the source URL, what you will do is that you will download the data from the URL and start importing process. And all this information is in a downloadable CSV. If you want to do everything programmatically, we also provide a powerful toolkit and APIs. For the most powerful toolkits you can find on the online with the GitHub location here, and it has a description for how to use as a client or as a miner or even as a developer. You want to develop your own tool to automate this process. You have all those APIs ready for you to use. As a client, we provide those functions for sending deals, setting, making car fares, and everything you want. And with a miner, it helps you doing the automatically downloading, importing, and the data updates. All those tools is already open source, so you can directly download and try it. So from above description, you can know that we have huge advantage using Swan. With Swan, you'll be able to find miners with different price and service online, so you can choose the best one suitable for your service. You have a miners bid for storage request, so with different options. The kind you can manage entire life cycle of the file transmission. You will see that it's in downloading state, it start sailing, it's pre-commit 1, pre-commit 2, and all those information you can close monitoring. They also reduce the effort of managing different upload jobs. So while you have those jobs uploading, you can have lots of DL sending at one time. You can um, manage them with different tasks, so you know when and which date you upload what. You can also send the data to the edge node close to you, since all the miners online, they give the location you want to send to Asia, you want to send it to Europe. You can send it according to your needs. It is also possible in the future you want to move in the computing power closer to you for data analysis. We have platform in the roadmap provide miners give you the capability. For example, maybe you don't need to generate car file on your location. You can ask the miners help you generate the car file to reduce the requirement on your side of processing data. There was other service add-ons for priority transfer and faster retrieval. For example, if you want a cache, um, not retrieval from fragment network, but original source file existing for about a few months, you can add this request when you post the deal and ask the miners to do it for you. What do you need to do? You might need to pay a small amount of payment to instance them. You also have a tracking records of all the miners accounts of the past working history. You can see how many orders they completed and how is the reputation and whatever. Those things can help you making decisions. You can also make a small payment if you want for different reasons. For example, penalties, or you want something verified deals. So those things can be done through the payment. There are lots of ways to do that. And this is a roadmap. So all the parts has been done. The payment gateway is going to open very soon, early March. You will get it. And thank you. That is pretty much about the introduction of the Swan. I hope you guys like it, and you can go to the website and try it.